Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to fix the lack of permission to access the camera in any apps on your iPhone using iOS 18. Please friends, don't forget to put a like and share the video. Be sure to write your comments. Also subscribe to our channel. And let's get down to the topic friends. And now I'm going to show you everything step by step. So friends, if you're in some of the apps that you have installed on your iPhone and you have access to the camera, and you can take a photo or you can take a video, but you can't take photos or videos in those apps, it means that you don't have permission to access the camera in those apps. So how can you fix this situation? First of all, open the settings on your device. After that, swipe down, tap on the screen time. Then swipe down a little bit more. Tap on this option here. Next, select this here option of Apps and Features Settings. Now you will need to find the camera. And if you have it in this disabled position, then you'll just need to activate it by tapping on the camera button. This way, friends, you are giving access to the camera and various apps. For full guarantee, I recommend that you go back. And here you will need to disable absolutely all permissions. This way, you will definitely be able to grant permission to access the camera. If this method didn't work for you, then scroll down a bit. Find Privacy Security. Then also scroll down, find the camera option, click on it. Here you will see a list of all the apps that require a camera request. And if you have them looking like this, there's a gray light button next to these apps. It means that the camera is not active in these apps. And you just need to click on these buttons here to turn them green, thereby activating access. If unfortunately this method doesn't work for you either, then you'll need to reinstall the particular app that doesn't still allow you to access the camera. To do this, you need to find such an app, tap on it, hold it down. Next, select Uninstall App, after which you will need to click on the Uninstall App option. When you uninstall it, you need to go to the App Store app, go to the search box, and type in the name of the app you deleted before. Once you find the deleted app, open it up and download it again by clicking Download. Due to such actions, some corrupted files on this app, they will be restored. The app itself will be updated to the latest version. And this will help you to solve such problem with camera access. If friends, you have done everything I have listed before, but unfortunately the situation is not improving, and still you don't have this permission to access the camera not in one, but in several applications at once, then the last chance to fix the situation is to open Settings. Then select General. Then scroll to the bottom and find Reset iPhone. Click on the word Reset and the option to reset all settings. But I'm warning you, and I'll say it again, that you should only do this as a last resort if none of the above methods have already worked for you. After you reset completely all the settings on your iPhone, this way, all unnecessary, corrupted, and outdated files will not be deleted and your iPhone will return to the way it was before you installed various apps on it. After that, you install the app again, go to each of them and access the camera from each of the apps. This action will 100% help you to fix the lack of camera access permission in apps on your iPhone. Dear friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe, friends, to our channel. Take care of yourself.